Okay, welcome back. Double Diamond Railroad. Second video today. Testing the mic. It's about halfway down my upper torso. Needs to come up about 3 inches, but I can't clip it right now in this shirt. I dropped it twice. Fortunately, the rubber padding, but it did hit the cement once. I think I'm getting a better mix now. Looks like it. Sounds like it. I did a few test runs. Okay, let's see where we're at here now. We got to drop these loads. I should have uncoupled first. Drop the loads and pick up these empties. Then go get the empties on. I could get Metalworks empties and make a train out of it to send back over to the interchange, stage it on the main line. I'll get these out here and place them. Get in here, and I took the magnet off my mic, just a clip only. That magnet was causing problems. Oh, I thought it might slip off. It did. Now we got plenty of loud audio coming in. How it gets in recording, I don't know. Okay, let's get over here, get uncoupled. Okay, we're ready to pull out. I even lost, this unit came out of the decoder controller. I dropped it, I had to put it back in. Okay, let's see if we can figure out what we're doing here. Take the engines out. They're going to come back and get the empty center beams. Then we got a real problem about the whole train. I had to leave those box cars out there for now. Pull up right here. Kill that. Throw the switch conductor on the ground. Bring them on back. Get those empties. Take them out on the main, join to the string of box cars. Now I'll probably take them down. You might just pull them down the lead, drop them, run around, go back to Metalworks. Try that trick. Okay, let's creep these back. That'll do. Okay, couple up. Okay, lots of ways we can do this. Make it long or short. I think I'm going to keep it short, lumber only, so I can make sure I got a good test on the microphone in case I want to change anything. And split this into two and come back and do Metalworks. Hopefully it'll pick up scanner feed this time. Not too loud, I hear it real good. So I think we'll pull these guys down in the lead, back up, catch the rest of the ones on the main, clear the main, pull them back into the lead so they're out of the way. Then he can cut loose and do a runaround on the next one. Go back and get all the empties for Metalworks. Keep these blocked together. We're testing for how the bell comes through, how loud it is. Stop right there, tone the switch. I think I'm starting to get my groove back already, getting into it. I find out about the air conditioning's been going on and off. Dehumidifier shut down, it's full. See how it does on noise cancellation. His stretch, That looks like we got him. It's going to take its train over down the lead, and it's probably going to fill the lead. That's what I'm afraid of. Got 8 cars. Hopefully we can cut loose and just fit so we can run around. We're going to clear back here at the back. Yeah, we're clear at the rear. So now he's coming out here again. And he can... Oh, he might block the road here. Let's see. I think we'll stop right here. We can do that. Let's see. We still got room to go. Let's go a little bit more. Take her ahead. Right up to the road. That'll do. Actually have room to go more at the rear end straight. So we can couple easy and we can run around. So let's pull them out. Take them out to the station, uncouple, and pull out to the station. They'll hold there. We'll probably end it right there. That way we got a good test. Just uncouple, 3-step. Okay, here we go. Pull up to the depot. We actually knocked our PTC over on the video before this, so that's why I got to move it from there. A bad spot to be in. Hit it with my hand. Didn't see it. Probably going to take care of that in the morning. Wife had to go to her mom, so I said, as soon as I get a break again, you're not here, I'm going to go down and test. Okay, that looks good. Right there. And go to Waffle House, all kinds of stuff. So I think we'll leave it there. Set this switch back, tone it back to the main. And then they can come back and get their metalworks in the next video. We'll make up a whole train to go to the interchange again. Empties. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Another one with testing the microphone, DJI mini mic. We'll get it. Figure out a way to get it the best. I like to have a little bit of studio sound with all the background coming through too. So I think it has to come up about 3-4 inches on my collar. And then probably it'll work. So I have to get her to set me up before she goes anywhere. If you put it right on your collar, it's too close. It kind of muddies it up a little bit. We don't want that. Okay, take care. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Double Diamond Railroad out.